video, I'm going to teach you how to automate weekly overdue invoice PDFs and email them as a zip. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow built from 5 nodes, designed to run on its own and save you hours each week. It starts with the weekly schedule node. This is the heartbeat of the automation. Instead of clicking a button every time you want to run it, you set the day, time, and time zone once, and the workflow wakes up automatically each week. This approach is perfect for routine tasks like invoice reminders, weekly reports, document generation, or automated billing. When the scheduled time arrives, the workflow kicks off and hands over to the next node. From there, the Get Overdue Invoices node fetches the records you want to act on. Think of it like reading rows from a spreadsheet or pulling entries from a database table. Each row represents a single invoice and includes the customer name and address, the invoice number, the amount due, the due date, and the company name. Make sure your field mappings are accurate and your date formats are consistent so the rest of the workflow has clean, predictable data to work with. These records form the raw material for the documents we're about to generate. Next up is the Build Bulk Items node, which transforms those rows into a structured list ready for document creation. Here, the workflow calculates how many days each invoice is overdue, formats the values you'll want to display in the final document, and organizes everything into discrete items. You can think of it as a queue, one item per document. For example, the first item might correspond to a reminder for one customer, the second item to another, and so on. This step is what enables true bulk PDF generation without any manual sorting. After the items are prepared, the Extract from File node processes the generated PDFs. It ensures the files are correctly assembled and accessible so the workflow can handle them programmatically. This is where metadata can be standardized and file contents readied, making the documents dependable attachments rather than loose files floating around. Finally, the Send Zip via Email node packages all the PDFs together and sends them as a single zip attachment. That makes download and distribution faster and keeps inboxes tidy. The email includes the generated PDF files, the current date for clarity, and the number of documents created so recipients know what to expect. And that's it, the automation completes, hands-free, on schedule, every week.